Maybe I didn't mean to treat you bad, but I did it anyway. And then maybe some would say your life was sad, but you lived it anyway.
Oh, it is. That's the island. It just came into... you can see it on the camera better than you can see it in real life. Probably because my glasses are foggy. Alright, so we're coming right into the... Basically, we're coming in right at the marina moorings, or the buoys. We're further out than I thought I would be, but we're good. Here, I'll show you. Once you see that light, it's hard not to drive towards it. You know what I mean? Even though you're using it as a fixture. So, it pulled me off of my line, which is right here. This is one of those scenarios where I'm about to get turned around. I'm driving up here thinking I'm going to make a left between these two islands, and the fog is making it seem like these two islands are touching, and I'm driving towards shore, not between two islands. No, it didn't. Where the hell am I? Talk about turn around. Alright, now I know where I am. Whew! That hurts my head when I get turned around like that. So I thought I was coming at a whole nother angle in here, and I'm not. There we are. Alright, now here's the entrance. I didn't have to go to Navionics, but I was close. So it is 3:30 in the morning, and I woke up about an hour ago and just started kind of playing on my phone, and I thought, oh, I'm going to check on the weather and the storm. The storm coming tomorrow night is what I thought. But it's going to be a lot higher winds. It's going to be 20-mile-an-hour winds. And we can't stay on this side of the river when it's like that. And the fog is going to be, I won't be able to see in about 2 hours. to cross the river. And then the storm's going to happen. So it's one of those things where there's like a window of perfect time where we can do everything real comfortably. Probably not even in the camera shot as I'm saying this. We can do everything real comfortably. So we're going to do it now, in the middle of the night. Because we're not going across the river in the fog, are we? And we're not going across the river in 20-mile-an-hour wind, are we? So, 3:30 in the morning, not a soul in sight. River's going to go play on the island in the middle of the night. Oh, flashlight. Light, Martin. Light. Martin. I'm not cold. It's 60 degrees out, but I just got out of bed, so it feels freezing right now. Good? Everything good? Dude, looking like a good hell on the pool this summer now. Okay. Nice little crossing. I'm glad we did it right now. It would have been hectic to do it during the storm or with all the waves. So we're gonna side tie, basically because the wind cuts through here along the river, and we want the nose to point into the wind. It's 5:30 in the morning now, and they went right back to bed. What are you doing, River? Meow. Meow. Happy? Yep. Stop taking.
You got your ball, you got your chain, tied to me tight, tie me up again.
It's so cold I don't want to get out of bed. But it is gonna be a beautiful day. It's gonna be sunny. It's only gonna be 35 or 40 degrees today, but once the sun comes up, it should warm up and feel pretty good in here. Alright, we'll get up. We'll get up. You wanna get up? Okay, we'll get up. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Okay. Oh, up. No licking. No. No licking. You're silly. You're silly. Alright, I just turned up the diesel heater. So, I woke up and my house battery is dead. And the reason why I still have my diesel heat going is because it has its own battery. I think that's important to kind of separate some things. Like I don't know. Right now I wouldn't have heat if it was connected to the house battery. So that is what it is, right? There's just not enough sun. You know? And like the sun is going to come out today, but not for another 3 hours. And then the battery needs to be warmed up to above 32 degrees before it can charge. So even if I start the generator right now, I wouldn't charge the battery. I need it to be warm. Look at the fog on the river. I don't have my glasses on, but I think that's him. Oh, that's a tree stump. No, he's just past that. He's over there. Come on, Rev! Let's go! Hey, come on, bud, let's go! Here he comes. Look at him running. He likes to run. He likes to run. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, it'd be so cool to be that energetic and everything right out of bed. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Getting a little more foggier. It's actually kind of amazing how quickly that fan starts kicking around once you start a fire in here. It's usually within the first couple of minutes. Were you working while I was gone? Are you a little mouser? It looks like you were working. It also looks like this guy suffered. I'm sorry for you, buddy. You're a good kitten. Here, you can play with it a little bit. Good job, Cricket. I'm proud of you. That's why we don't have mice on the boat, because I have a cat. Right, Cricket? Good mouser. Get him. He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
Baby, I didn't mean to treat you bad, but I did it anyway. And then maybe some would say your life was sad, but you lived it anyway.